Love this. Are you home? And sometimes when you're holding a smartphone, you feel no. I feel the ideas are nowhere. I feel I'm stuck. Are you a mother? Are you a working class lady or a man? Let me hope you go for vacation, you do something at home. But sometimes you're feeling stuck. What is making you stuck to fail to get video ideas? Let's know. Just put in the comment section. But good news is that in today's video, I'm going to show you that even if you're a stay-home mom, I'm saying a stay-home mom, even if you're a man who has lost your job or you don't have work to do for now, you're in your country or you are somewhere abroad within, as long as you're breathing, you cannot fail. You cannot fail. Underline that you cannot fail to have a video idea. And a video idea that is productive, a video that will give you a high CPM, and a video that give you a high RPM. In fact, the video that will be ranked highly, thus it will be paid highly. What am I coming to? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you shouldn't fail to get a video everyday basis, because the video ideas are within you, around you, they move with you. In fact, can I say they sleep with you? You have 1 million plus 1 million and infinity ideas that as a creator, you should not be stuck. Now, we are going to be showing you that Immaculate show I can never have. I can never run short of ideas, and I'll be bringing for you a video that a video idea or a title that you feel no, this is not a video. No, I'm going to be teaching you today that every individual, wherever you're seated, you have a video idea, you have an idea, you have an information to teach out there, but you don't. I think you're still somewhere there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you are. Hope everything is okay. You guys, this video is for educational purposes. I'm not saying that this is how you should do it, or whenever you do it, you're going to get money. No, but I'm giving you a tip. I'm giving you like 1% of the tip. Yeah, for what people have used, just sit at home, relax, and do something. And don't forget, these video ideas I bring for you are top notch, are highly optimized. Whether you have a few views, whether you have many, whether you don't have, at least you know my money is rest assured. Before I dive in, let me appreciate my top engagers on YouTube, people who have never given up, people who have followed us, and people who are never in exchange of money. So guys, I love you so much. God bless you all. Keep tuned here. If you know you have been here for 2-3 times watching us and you have not subscribed, please do. If you've not shared this video to someone else to bring in a new person and no, I can use whatever I have to make money, please do. And disclaimer, tell them this is educational videos. We are not assuring you anything. Let's dive in. I'm bringing for you my $5 lunch today. My $5 meal today for one person. Yes, this is a $1 meal for one person. Can you believe? Most of you will think, oh my God, if I don't go to McDonald's, if I don't go to KFC, if I don't go to high-end restaurants, I can never post what I eat. But you can post what you eat, you can post what you've eaten from home. How you post it, how you present it, matters. So this is my $5 meal. When I talk a meal, I mean the whole meal. I mean breakfast, lunch, dinner. So Immaculate Show happens to take one meal a day. So that's why I've combined it. So I'm going to show you a 18 dirham or a $5 meal. I had a less, something like tea for morning. And what was in that tea? That tea was totally organic, pure organic. And it did not cost even up to, I think, not even up to $2. This tea was organic. It had ginger slices. It had 2 cloves. It had some bay leaf, and at the same time, I put sunflower tea leaves. So it was infused tea. That is what I had. Then the second thing, but before I did that, I had a pinch, or I had a shot of ginger lemon. Ginger lemon is what I take every day, every morning. If you go to see the amount I bought the whole thing for the whole week, it means the shot had only less than $1. Let's go now to the main course. People wonder, why should Immaculate Show be in other platforms apart from YouTube, TikTok, Facebook? We always bring what we eat on a daily basis. We take photos. People wonder, is she showing off? No, we are not showing off. We are showing you that we cannot fail to get money out of, even if we are we on sit down content. Sit down content is not the content you travel and get here, do interviews or show places. No, we show you what we have. So this $5 menu included raw tomato, but the main food was boiled beans. You know what boiled beans? Boiled white beans, salted, a little salted, and in the main beans, which is the main dish, I only cut raw onions and put them. I cut some chili, that is cane chili. Cane, the green one, I put. That is so nutritious. Then I cut 1 avocado, which is full. A kilo of avocado, I bought it at 15 dirham. And out of 50, that is around 50,000 Ugandan money, or 50 dirham. The kilo, I sliced 1 piece of avocado. So that out of 18 dirham, it is so small. This one, I went ahead and got carrots, and bought a half kilo of carrots. Out of a half kilo of carrots, on this lunch, I used only a half slice of carrots. And this meal, I didn't forget to top it up with some ghee. You know what ghee is? Cow ghee from Uganda. This ghee was brought to me. It was free. It was brought to me by a friend who is Hope Mujsha. Yeah, when she was coming to United Arab Emirates, she brought from it, and it has grown. You know, when in our culture, when you take ghee and it has grown, it smells, but it has its own advantages, by the way. You go and Google about cow ghee very well. So I topped it in beans, such that it can bring that nice scent and other things. I don't do frying. The beans were boiled. Then aside, I had to put some peanuts are groundnuts. This one is to spice everything to feel you're eating a rich meal. Now, come to think about it. $5 making me eat every day, if I want. For a person, like in my family, if we are 3 people, each person gets $5. 1 tomato, 1 piece of tomato, cut it well. Now, let me come to how it is set up. By the way, most people eat the setup. They don't eat the ingredients. You might be cooking beans, I'm cooking beans. So the setup, you can look at it, it is wonderful. Now, you guys, have you seen that I've made a video? Do I need to go McDonald's to go and tell them, you guys, I'm eating McDonald's? That is no normal thing now. It shows now childish. But what am I coming to? Your video idea is within you and around you. The way you bring it matters. Like now I've told you, a $5 meal the whole day, damn, that is